show you how to play Raining Tacos in 2022 November. So you go on, I'm gonna click on. There's actually whoopsie. I don't know what I can see.
Cheese.
But don't worry, I'm gonna click on next. Does actually work. Here it is. Nobody's in this game right now though. But once I make sure you put in this ID. If it does not work, you've spelled it wrong. But here it is. 3, 2, 1, and there you go.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Lettuce, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
And to stop it, you just put it blank. And there you go. There's multiple different games in this, but I choose this game. These games don't really have much to it because you're just playing something. You don't actually need to play it. Unless you actually have it, which got really in 2021. So yeah. Goodbye.